Hey, what's up guys, Weston here, and we're at Colorado Silverton, and I'm with Griff and Clinto, and
what's up?
We're gonna do a Tiny Rock bike check. So we're gonna start with the frame. I have a Tiny Rock Master Big Dream.
And I have the Master S 24-inch carbon fiber.
I have the Ally 20-inch, and I have the Manitou 20-inch Pro 120 mil travel.
And I don't fully know what fork this is.
It's the Manitou J unit.
The Manitou J unit Manitou 24-inch.
And then I have profile hubs with spank rims on here.
I got tie spokes and Hope rims. I mean, not Hope rims.
Hope hubs.
Hope hubs.
I have Hope brakes. Super nice. I love them.
Same here.
I have the Helium kids bike pedals.
I got some time clip-ins.
I have the Axis GX SRAM on here.
I have a XTR derailleur.
I have a Cro-Mag seat and a RockShox dropper post.
I have SDGC and a Wolf Tooth dropper.
What tires are you running?
I have Maximus DTH and DFH and Mini DHF.
I have Max's DHR2s.
Now we're gonna check out the dirt jumpers. So first, I have the Tiny Rock 20-inch Bullet blue color.
I got the 24 Bullet rose gold.
I have the Manitou Pro version 20-inch.
I got the Manitou J unit.
I have the profile hubs on here.
Same.
Go ahead. And then I have Sensus grips on here.
I have death grips.
I have a Hope brake on here.
I have a Shimano.
I have the Helium pedals.
I have some Hope pedals, very grippy.
I have a KMC oil slick chain.
I don't know what chain I have.
I have Cro-Mag bars.
I have some Fat Boy bars.
Okay.
This.
I have a profile stem.
I have a Hope stem.
And they're both set up for bar spins, right?
Yes.
Let's see it.
Oh, shoot, wrong way.
And then I have Kenda K-Rad tires on here.
I have some Maxxis tires.
We want to see your Tiny Rock builds. Make sure to post them on Instagram.
And make sure to tag me and Weston as well as Tiny Rock.